Hey, what's going on, guys? I had a customer bring me a tailgate to a side-by-side the other day. He wanted to do some graphics on it. It was black texture on the outside and metal panel on the inside. I took it apart, sanded it down, threw some primer on it and some black so I could have a good base to start off. He wanted a Punisher deer skull in the middle of the tailgate on the outside. He wanted some letters on the corner of the tailgate that said El Cucuy, which is Spanish for the monster or the boogeyman or any rendition of that. He actually came up with a really cool idea for the inside. He ended up going with some letters that said El Rancho 48, which is a reference to the ranch that the side-by-side is going to go on, as well as number 48, which is his favorite NASCAR driver. So it kind of tied in well where he's going to have it on his new land and everything like that. So it was a pretty quick little project. So let's go ahead and check out the process, guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video. I got this tailgate out of the booth and I wet sanded it this morning. I'm gonna buff it a little bit. It'll have a little bit of nibs here and there, so I'm gonna get it buffed and cleaned off. Hopefully get it put together and set aside so you can come pick it up. Came out really good. I was really excited with the way it turned out. Pretty cool little design and pretty cool little lettering. So I'm really happy with the turnout and hopefully the client enjoys it as much as I do. All right, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you like the video. Consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I highly recommend to do so. I have a lot of videos coming up. I have a lot of projects that I have to drop because I'm trying to catch up from everything that I did in 2021 that I have yet to post it. I have a lot of videos backed up on my computer and I just gotta go through and edit them and stuff like that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I consider subscribing. Please do so. Share this video with your friends. Drop a comment down below. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. I'm glad y'all tuned into the very end, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.